Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This has had been on a full uptrend, just the way I analyzed it in the morning. And of course, you can see it has been going up and up. Okay, so this is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so at the moment, it is still buying until it it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, let's move on to the next asset, which will be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This was on downtrend before, but right now it's on uptrend. And I gave this signal in the Telegram channel, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while, right from this resistance zone, and after giving us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, so it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks up below it, it's still going to sell more, but if it does not, it will change the direction of the trend. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This was supposed to go more on buy trend, but it was unable to break out from this particular resistance zone. So it's trying to sell right now. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, this particular asset has been on uptrend right from here. You can see the support zone at this point, and of course it went up a bit and came down and got to this support region, and of course went back up above this. Okay, right now it is pulling back. Okay, once it is done with the pullback, okay, which I believe it should be around here. If it does not break out from here, then definitely it's going to continue with the buy trend. But if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. At the moment it is still selling until the breakout, the pullback is over. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.